Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host LC, and this is the Super Kids Art Club. Hey guys, it's LC here, and in today's video, we're going to be making our own magic milk. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Super Kids Art Club. Okay guys, here's some of the supplies that you're going to need for today's project. Alright, let's get started. Let's grab our milk and pour it into these 3 bowls. Now let's grab our food coloring. And for our superheroes, we're going to use red, blue, and yellow. So our red bowl is going to be for Iron Man. And his colors are red and yellow. And our blue bow is for Spider-Man. Let me just grab my cool Spider-Man cup. And so you see Spider-Man has blue and red. So here's the red and the blue. And the white bow is for Superman. Let me grab my awesome coffee mug. There's Superman, and he has yellow, blue, and red. So let's grab our food coloring and begin. Let's start with Iron Man. Let's pour in our yellow food coloring. Now let's pour in the red. Now let's grab a Q-tip, and you're going to dip it inside some dish soap. See, I have mine right there. And just dip your Q-tip right on top of the color. Wow! See, this is pretty cool. Awesome! Let's move on to Spider-Man. Let's pour in our red and our blue. Don't forget the dish soap. Wow, I like that blue and red together. Now time for a close-up. Great job, guys! Alright, let's move on to Superman. Let's pour in our blue, yellow, and red food coloring. And there you go! It's your very own magic milk using your favorite superheroes. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and remember, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos every week. See you later, Super Kids!